In this guide, we're going over if Fall Guys has split screen here on Switch, PC, Xbox, or PlayStation. If you're trying to play co-op on, a couch with one of your friends or your family on the same console, we're going over that here in this video. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you let us help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the short answer is no. Fall Guys does not support split screen, and as of right now, there's no indication that split screen will ever be added in the future. So unfortunately, you will not be able to play side by side on the exact same console or PC. If you're looking for great split screen or couch co-op games that you might want to check out, Rocket League is great, Fortnite is great, and both of those games are going to support local split screen, so you can play locally with your friends on the exact same system. But even though Fall Guys does not have couch co-op, it does fully support online multiplayer and cross-platform play. Since the game is free to play, you can download it on PC, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, and to play with friends, just open up Fall Guys, and you need to go to your friends list down at the very bottom by opening this up. Once you're in this section right here, you'll be able to add your friends by selecting this tab right here and searching them up, and then adding them as a friend just like so. And then from here, go to your main friends tab, and you'll be able to select them, and then hit invite to game just like so. From here, you can play together online, even if you're on different platforms. So while it doesn't have split screen, it is still super easy to jump in and play with some of your friends online for free. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.